Bruh.
Hey, what's up, traders? Just should be sleeping, man, but Bitcoin's just doing crazy stuff on the weekend, right? Yep, on a Saturday. Yep, came into work on a Saturday, and I just was like messing around. Maybe there's a supply line here. It's got 4 touches, and you're just right at it. 1618's up there too. But, maybe that supply line being there is better than nothing, right? I mean, we could have nothing there, too. So what a stream we had earlier where we picked up just tons of patrons, man. And, again, I just felt I kind of owed it, man. If Bitcoin's doing this, even if it's like 3 a.m. Eastern, at least be here for an hour just to hang out, to look at this while we're just at all-time highs, with 1 minute left until your 4-hour close. This is it, man. Okay. Thank y'all. So 29,860. And you gotta wonder, are we gonna retrace right after that 4-hour close, or are we gonna just start going? So we've seen different scenarios lately. Been crazy. Can you hear me? Hello? Bueller? Yeah. One sec. Here's the link someone asked for. There, I'll pin that too. Yes, first of the month, or second of the month now. So second best day to join the Patreon. Trade setups, education, all that stuff. But, man, get to hang out with people making tendies, dude. Like, this has been the craziest run. I don't think... I mean, just zoom out and look at this, man. It's ridiculous. And Ohio State looked really good, by the way. Haven't talked since the end of that game. Wow. Bama will definitely have their hands full. That's for sure. 4-hour candle close. Jesus chimes. Largest or highest 4-hour candle close of all time again. That's the 3rd consecutive all-time high candle close. 4-hour. Nice. $3 a.m. pump stream. And Theta's going again too. Theta's just pumping. It's up 10%. Oh yeah, 10% right now. This thing, this is how you're looking at it now. Theta is just going parabolic. Very similar to Bitcoin. There are a few others that look wild, right? Oh, and then Doge, man. Doge played out. Oh my god, dude. Doge went insane. Went to the gold mean ratio.
No sleep crew.
What's up, Buster? Bitcoin. It's really tough to sleep, Bitcoin just doesn't want it to happen. So I really did like that. It didn't have to be a channel. It does make sense though. Just like since the run up, right? You clearly saw where the run up ended right here, and then it sold off, and that's the bottom of it. And so that's just kind of how you get the touch points. 3, 4 on the top, 1 on the bottom, and then you get like a heart line right there. Look, resistance, support. So I don't know if we're gonna break that or not. Definitely seems like 30K is possible. We're so close to it. I mean, but remember, in different situations completely. You were at the end of the huge bull run back then, but you never, on Coinbase, you never hit $20,000. You hit 19,891. That was the number, right? Yep, 19,891.99. So let's hit 30K. Let's not do that again. That crap. 29,000. 900 something. There it is. Okay.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Whoops. I have to restore my chat. Sorry, that's an older alert. Alright, 29,910. Is it gonna hit 30K, man? Well, let me turn this my TV on. We got some history going on. Hey, K Jamie 97. Let's go. Got a new patron. Type in the chat.
Is that a joint?
Boom. Thank you, K Jamie. Or K Jame. 97. Alright, we're at all-time highs right now. Highest level we've ever seen in the history of mankind. We're coming in from outer space. Can you hear us? That's what it feels like, right? You know, like the men landing on the moon. We're doing that. Every dollar we go up, where Bitcoin's at its highest level, all right? Feels good. I don't know. Super sus candle right now. You didn't pull back any. You're just going. Seems so loud. Dude, that has to be loud, right? Dang. Okay. Hey, John M. Thanks so much for joining Patreon. Holy crap, dude. Let's go. Let's go.
Is that a joint?
Appreciate it, man. Thanks to both of y'all for joining this evening. Please be sure to sync up the Patreon, the Discord. You know what to do, man. Woman or alien. Sus. I'm just kidding. It's just, you know, oftentimes candles on new 4-hour candles, like you'll sell off first, or just like at one point you'll go up and down, and there'll be a wick. End up being a shadow on that candle before it's eventually completely painted. That's all I'm saying. I was just kidding about sus, because we never really know exactly where a candle's going ever. So, you know, it could just go up to hit 30K before pulling back, you know? So we're near the highest levels. We're at the highest levels we've ever been. So, and there could be a supply line there, you know? Like, we just don't, you know, we're gaining more data. So, trying to put the puzzle pieces together. There was 60 minutes hidden bullish divergence that might, I mean, I guess it's playing out. And the 4-hour bearish divergence just now, you know, didn't play out and is now turning into just like bullish convergence, you know? Where you make a low, a higher low, much lower levels of negative momentum. Wow. Yeah, it looks like it might want to break to the upside, but I think it might be testing a supply line. So, what's up, Green Third Eye Man? Wow, that's a lot of aliens, dude. Did anyone see the UFO? There was a crazy UFO that recently came out. Why is that so quiet? It's so quiet, I don't know why. Huh, hold on. That could be why. It's definitely why. Alright, I fixed it. So we're gonna do it tonight, chat? Is this gonna be the stream? That's why it's called 30K or bust, man. No, there really was like a crazy UFO video. Anyway, all right, let's we got to see it, man. We got to go back and check it, cause you know, a couple days ago we were looking at Doge, and it had all the makings of a varsity athlete. Oh my god, dude. It's too late. Beautiful. Anyone just see that BTC pair for a second? It was awful. Alright, this is perfect example of when to use it.
See what happens, Larry?
Right?
You see what happens, Larry? You see what happens?
Do you see what happens when you break a resistance that you created for the first time in May of 2017, right? Look, you've seen support there, you've seen resistance there, resistance. It's always reversed there. It's never, anytime it's broken it, it's never been able to truly back test it as support. It's always just broken straight above it and then it's dumped, right? Look, once it breaks again to the upside, it's just straight up, straight down. It never like consolidated there, ever, until now. Okay, you broke it and you back tested it for God, like a week, a freaking week of holding. It's probably Elon Musk got over the goal line, and now look at it. It ran up to hit the next level, right? Where September of 2018, up here, you know, the 1-4-1-4 hit the golden mean ratio. By God, look, this high to low, already had it there. 7.5 of 1 penny. Before it pulled back some, and it's still up there. So this may not be done at all. And wow, look at this hidden bullish divergence down here. Beautiful. Beautiful, bouncing off the 200-day moving average. Doge was a technical. I mean, it looked great. It looked wonderful. Oh my God, are you kidding me? What? You gotta be kidding me, dude. God. Look right here. Okay, resistance became support, first time ever. It broke to the upside. It's been a week there. Oh my God. Can we start the stream over? Can we start the stream over? No, I'm just kidding. Okay, 1618, golden mean ratio, high to low on Fibonacci, ran up, hit it. Look, it's breaking it. It's breaking it right now. So the next target on Doge, if it stays above this long enough, is 8.3 of 1 penny. That high from February 2018. After that, oh God, don't even, we'll talk about it when it happens. 2618 fib extension, 1 cent, 1 penny again. I did it, man. I'd say that's pretty good. Lots of accumulation started. Look, I mean, you had the COVID crash, and then look at this higher low in July, then the higher low than that in November, and then look, that other higher low in December, right? Going parabolic, man. Doge.
Adios, turd nuggets.
Sorry, didn't mean to press that. So that's it, man. There's that supply line again being tested once more. Still confined. Get wrecked. Oh, wow. Did something just happen? Yeah, again, join the Discord. Join Discord. Oh, we're so close to 10,000 now. See what I was saying earlier about suspect? Because it's like, it's going to go up and down. It's going to go all around. There's the Discord link. Total market cap's nuts. $774 billion right now. Pretty close to the highest levels ever, like 783 billion. I can't even believe it, man. I just think at this point, right, where we are on that, I think it's gonna go higher than it's ever been, right? this time around. That's good, Ben, man. Awesome. Read it. It's dry. It's more dry than Similarian. But Tolkien, dude. Hey, what's up, CF? Yep, heard about Monero, Dash, Zcash. They are getting wrecked. They're off Bittrex, delisted, right? That's a striking blow. And you gotta wonder who's gonna follow suit with them. It just makes, like, trading altcoins just so much more risky. Because it's like, you gotta think about it. What's gonna happen next? Since these things aren't backed by anything but speculation, it's so easy to dump. These assets dump so hard on news. Makes it just far more difficult trading that crap. So you could always trade something that has, you know, makes hundreds of millions of dollars quarterly and stuff. That makes sense. Makes it lower risk, right? Yeah, dude. Ohio State did look really good tonight, man. Nice name, dude. Alright. Alright, dude. Gotta do it. Who let the bulls out? Thanks so much for joining the Patreon. Welcome, dudes. Welcome. Please be sure to sync up the Patreon Discord. You gotta do it, man. Alright? Do it for me. All patrons. So, wow. 642 patrons. Unbelievable. We picked up like, I think 2 or 3 annual patrons today. Incredible. What's up, Alex?
Thanks for honest evaluations, knowledge, and being there along the way. Clinking beer mugs. Spin if you want.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I could spin and get in debt, but I don't know, dude. Probably best to just chill out tonight.
Just joined Patreon. John, I'm looking forward to the games. Side note, can you give me your thoughts on Prospect Capital? Thinking of grabbing some for the dividends.
Latino Battle League, thank you so much, man, for joining. And yeah, we can look at that asset. Is this the right one? PSEC. Yeah, this has to be it. Pretty bad chart. Yeah, I think so. That's terrible, dude. Really bad. So just staring at Bitcoin here. Just run at this real quick. This chart's just god awful, you know. It's all-time lows, recent event, you know. Of course, COVID. I don't know. Like, dude, how much volume is on this? It's got 2.6 million volume, but there's just so many other assets out there one could trade. I mean, if it ever gets above 573, I mean, it could run up, you know. Possibly up to 735, but that's a big if, man. You just you could trade and go long on assets that are like making higher lows, and you know their charts look like this, and you're looking for like bullish patterns and stuff to develop, you know. Yeah, man. So I mean, again, unless you're looking to short it, but I would like the trend, you know, the stock market trend is bullish. So your macro's bullish. Then you want to look for, you know, whatever asset you're wanting to trade, you want to make sure the macro is bullish, and then the sector, the asset you want to trade in is bullish, like GPUs or tech or whatever it is, value. And then you want to make sure the asset itself is in that bull trend, right? You want to, and that's like, you want to have all three of those. Sometimes you don't, so it's not as strong, but it's always strongest trading when you have the macro, the sector, and the asset itself all making higher highs, higher lows. All right. So kind of, great on that. Whatever. Thank you, dude. So just hanging around 29,815. I told you, up and down, man, all around. They had to make the wick to the downside. Didn't matter, and it still could be a larger one, but it's just funny, man. The bearish divergence really has not played out, and it might not play out. I just don't know how much more it's going to meander on up like this without just having a huge green candle the upside or downside at this point, right? Anyone here? Well, how many left, dude? How many left until 10,000 on Discord? Like, what, 27? 28 members until 10,000? We could do that tonight, right? $28 members, dude, till 10K. Bitcoin's at all-time highs. It's beautiful. 60 minutes. It was funny, right? The conversation we had in the earlier stream. It was like you had bullish divergence on the 60-minute. Okay, then the 4 hours, the bearish divergence, and was like, all right, the trend is your friend, and look what happened. After we had looked at it, just a low on price and a slightly higher low where traders settled up. But here and here. And you were losing that negative moment. It's playing out.
Stellar looking beautiful.
I'm not so sure about that. We looked at it earlier. I don't really like Excel. I know there's that Gartley there, but the price action is showing that we identified hidden bearish divergence on Stellar, and that hidden bearish divergence was developing as it back tested a very critical support resistance looking left as resistance again. It fell through, and now it's back testing, showing that somewhat buyer exhaustion, and it's implying more downside. So with those variables, it makes it really tough to want to take a long on it. Alex. But sure, it can just go up because, nothing's certain and things do things. But in 60-minute, looking at it just kind of like this. All right, you just got that going on, man. The supply line up there, and you got a demand line here. Probably a decent way to size it up looking at it right now. But there's no edge. There's nothing saying, hey, man, great time to buy Bitcoin. $29,800 plus, really? They're not expensive. Yeah, the alts, man, this news stuff, just at any time, it's real easy to these altcoins just get wrecked. Bitcoin loves it, though. It's like the money just leaves those coins, goes cash, and then just goes into Bitcoin, And the Bitcoin black hole grows. Oh, Happy New Year, by the way, to the ones that maybe didn't see me earlier. How about 2020? What a year to be a trader and an investor. Maybe one of the best ever, dude. So good. It was Christmas like almost every day. I mean, it was Christmas for all the time, dude. I don't even think I'm gonna leave the Christmas tree up. I think I might just leave it up, okay? All year. And put a new ornament on it every single day. 365 ornaments. Maybe we could make the tree collapse. Oh my god. It'd be funny to get my P.O. box set up again and then have everyone 365 ornaments. Just different people send one ornament each, and it can be I don't know, dude. I don't know how that would work if we were doing one a day. Yeah, I guess it'd be like, one a day, and then they would just compile, and then whatever, right? I don't know, man. Just my brain doing things, Oh, XLM, by the way, just so you talked about it, all right? Yeah, dude, I mean, this is 60-minute, whatever, but that Gartley is gorgeous. I think it's beautiful. It's really good. I mean, it's perfect. But you didn't have an edge at the pattern completion zone like we want. We always want to see, bullish divergence at the PCZ. And all that happened was it rallied and showed the hidden bearish divergence again after back testing 13.5 cents as resistance multitude times. Look, 4, 8, 12, 16 hours, almost 20 hours of testing and failing different candles. What are you talking about, man? This is not like all this chop and resistance is now resistance again. And so like next support's down at like 11.8 cents. So to me, that price action is not bullish. That makes me suspicious. Okay, and so there you go, right? Hey, maybe I'm wrong here. But dang, the fact that I can present an argument to you saying it's not that strong, that what would happen if we were looking at an asset together and we both thought it was strong, right? Those are the ones we're looking for, right? Or we're not. We don't have like contradicting. Oh well, it looks good because of the pattern, but it's doing bearish stuff. Now, hey, everything changes if XLM gets back above 14.4 cents. Everything changes. All right. Maybe this divergence plays out, it runs down and it double bottoms, and somehow you get like classic bullish divergence. My tone will change there too. But just at this current time, it's not looking like it's about to run more. Okay. You know what I'm saying, right? All right. When's the best time to buy? Oh man, let's look back. Let's check it out, man. What was a great time to buy? Christmas Eve was a great time to buy. Great time to buy at $23,300. Hidden bullish divergence, bullish rectangle, consecutive higher lows. Yeah, that was a great time to buy. Another great time to buy Bitcoin was December 11th. December 11th at a price of $17,954.
Lighting up a stogie, bro. 5 minutes hammer on BTC.
Oh my god! Thank you, Cherry Pickin', for the 5-minute hammer.
Is that a joint?
Another time, right? 17,954. Easy come, easy go. Bullish divergence on the oscillators at a critical ice line. You knew that. You knew that ice line. 17,730. The Jesus man. There we go. See ya. All targets hit exceeded, and then we got more. The other trade you just saw was right here.
How is Litecoin going?
Or no, it was. Yeah, that was it. The other one. What? Litecoin going? As long as it's above that support, it's okay. Maybe it's gonna go where Bitcoin's going, but it's not really. Bitcoin is like outperforming everything. The money's just not flooding into these altcoins like it is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the meta right now, the meta of this whole run. See, it's like you jumped across the creek, but then did you? Do we adjust now for the new data? Probably, to be conservative. Okay, so maybe a base of buying. Look how many buy orders up here. Horizontal line buy orders and distribution going on. It looks like a descending triangle. But I mean, if Bitcoin keeps mooning, maybe Litecoin could too. I don't know. The meta is so different now. It doesn't really. As long as it's above 120, we're good. But if it falls below 120, it's going down to 106 and 95. So as long as it holds above that and then starts catching bids and then maybe jumps across this creek at 130, 185, you got all the resistance at 137, 145. You break 145, then we're going to moon. Until you break 137, 145, who knows, right? You got to break those. So you're just consolidating. You're not doing anything while Bitcoin's pumping. So thanks everyone for being here so late. I know it is late. Just, dude, I can't believe it, man. Thanks so much, all patrons who joined today. And thanks so much for all those patrons who stuck around. There were like 575 plus patrons who stuck around from last month. That is huge, dude. So big round of applause for those people. My God.
Understand and agree. Sold a bunch of XL Mac 18s and just got more and put into Nexo to get 6% APR just busting your balls. Playful face.
Thank you, Alex, man, for the 5 and the busting of my... Yes. Okay, look at Ethereum. Ethereum now. Just an underperformer, still making higher lows. I mean, really, let's... Kind of hidden bullish divergence if the pivot is real here, you know, a low and then a higher low and then lower levels relative strength. It's doing that, you know, kind of looks similar, you know, on the MACD. It doesn't look too bad. Look, what were we talking about earlier on Ethereum? Everything's fine, you know. We're doing this, okay, until...
You worry too much. Everything is beautiful. There's nothing to worry about.
Until we fall below 17.15, all right? This great way to just get out, like, because this thing could go down to 667 again. Doesn't hold that, then it's going down to 622 again, bottom of the structure. Who knows? We don't know yet if it's an up thrust and a failure, right? Just whipsaw back in, because it's just not catching the bids on a breakout, you know. So, but yeah, it's all good though. Higher lows for now. Outside of the resistance it broke. All right. How come it's always a person with an alarming inability to hold a camera steady every time there's aliens? I know, dude. It's like the aliens know they're recording, so they mess with their camera. Pretty sure that is science. Total market cap is just gone. It's 772 billion.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Dude, hold on a second, man. Hold on a second, man. I don't know. This is okay. Yeah, Algo doing things well. Yep, Algo was a beaut. Algo looked, you know, it was like the momentum shifting structure. Oh my god, oops. Didn't mean to do that. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, first target on Algo, 49.45 cents. You're almost there. You're almost there, dude. Almost there. After that, it's 55.49 cents, 64.24 cents after that, right? It was an inverse head and shoulders posted December 17th, right? I mean, that was it. A higher low, inverse head and shoulder. Look, from this low down, this was so good. Algo was so nice because it was like from the low in March, you know, COVID crash, to the high. This thing retraced like 78, 88% of the way. That's exactly where you want to see reversal patterns develop because there's value. It's like there's a 78 or 88% sale on Algorand. That's it, man. That's what you're looking for always. Let me show you real quick. Let's go to it. So I'm just talking about Fibonacci from that previous low to high on that crazy run. Look at this. 78.6% retrace value. 78% sale on Algorand. Going deeper. Oh my god, even better. 88% sale. Let's go, dude. Alright. No more shining, alright? You've been gone a long time, alright? No more shining, Billy. Doge is a joke that respected the TA. You know it. You saw it happen. Doge can be a joke at 1 penny. Just like it can be, it doesn't matter. It's just we're looking at support for the first time ever. That was huge, man. And then like, you know, who cares, but you know, Elon tweeted about it. It's just like, remember Charlie Lee tweeting Litecoin goes insane? These are just like stupid little things. They're like these little variants of aspects that exist maybe only in crypto. It doesn't work in other markets the same way, really. I don't know, like what's going on.
Hey, can you please check FTFT Future Fintech?
Sure. I mean, why even look at it, you know? Terrible chart. It's awful, man, right? When we looking for assets that do this, right? We prefer these assets, not these assets. Just saying, terrible. I don't know, man. I'm gonna give it a try. There we go. You're holding the support, I guess. Yeah, I mean, if you don't hold 166, chances are in time you'll find your way down to 52 cents. All right, that's all I can tell you. I don't think there's an edge on this asset. It's a bear trend. It only, throughout history, it's only made lower highs, lower lows. I guess it's making higher lows until it falls below 102. So yeah, I mean, if it holds 166 long enough, it could very well find its way back above or right at 288. If it doesn't hold, it's going to 52 cents most likely. You get it? It's not about what it's going to do. It's about, I mean, it's about like how it correlates to this trend line. Where will it go if it breaks it? Where will it go if it holds it? All right, I don't know what it's going to do, but that's what it's going to do if it, whatever scenario. You get what I'm saying? Jeez. Yeah, Algorand was incredible, dude. Like we call it a specimen, right? Like bonsais that have like nice root flare and are beautiful and
Another
are old.
5-minute hammer. Plenty of stogie left exclamation mark.
And also the bonsai.
Can a burger get an opinion on HVBTF, please, kind sir?
Yeah, did you know that less than 1/3 of burgers have $1,000 in savings? Chat, did you know this? This is a PSA public service announcement about burgers. Only some people will get that. Eventually, hopefully, everyone will get that. Okay. Hello? Oh man, hey. Hey, Shua. Thanks so much, Shua, for joining the Patreon. Let's go, dude.
Is that a joint?
Thank you, Shua. Please be sure to sing up the picture on the Discord. You know it, man. You have to do that. For real. You have to participate if you're a patron in the Discord chat. It's incredible. What's up, Blake? Yeah. Hold on, man. I'm getting a little... Man, how's it going? We was going, man. Talking about bonsais, and we're talking about Algo being a specimen bonsai. Inverse head and shoulder stuff. It had good root flare. It had been pruned constantly. Every time you prune a bonsai's leaf, it like loses a third of its size, and that's like you keep doing that over months and seasons or years, you know. And eventually the leaves are itty bitty, and it looks beautiful. So specimen bonsai, specimen inverse head and shoulders. You know where it was, where it developed, the context of where it developed. You know, people will be like, "Hey, dude, is that an inverse head and shoulders?" And it's like at a top, it's like that's just not how it. That's not where you look for them, man. Same with like harmonics, you know, like Gartley's or something. You see them after they've had huge runs up. It's like that's not the right spot to be strategizing harmonics, you know. Anyway, okay. Burgers get wrecked, man. Sorry, I'm trying to... What happened? Oh, okay. So the, yeah, like not much anything. This is Hive Blockchain Technologies. It you know, since October, I mean, at its highest point in in 74 days, it appreciated in value pretty much 1,000%. Just like Riot and Mara. These are just the assets that are tied to crypto or Bitcoin. So we want to, I mean, I think this is probably the best way to do it because there's very little support resistance straight up, straight down. That's exactly what you do when there is not much support resistance looking left from history. You just run up. So high to low, how deep have we gotten? 38% retrace, pretty much. I mean, you almost got to a 50% retrace. So what? You're gonna reverse for a while. I mean, you consolidate, maybe bull flag. It's just gonna follow Bitcoin most likely. That's all it's been doing. So it's just like an altcoin then, right? That's all we say about them. What's up, Michael? Yeah, I mean, you shouldn't be asking me for a dump on Bitcoin. I don't control that, and I don't know, dude. Yeah, man. Like shorting Bitcoin, it's kind of been insane. Like, you know, the past months, it's like you've lost so much money. Like if you short it all, you've been shorting really. So you're also trading against the trend. You're counter trend trading, which is dangerous. Anyway. Correct. Anyway, blockchain, Hive Blockchain is, you know, what are you supposed to do? What am I supposed to do analyzing? And all I can do is look at Fibonacci because it went straight up, straight down, or just straight up. Like, okay, here's a support resistance area, obviously, $3 or so. So that's where it could run to eventually. That's where you maybe would face some sell orders up there. Yeah, band still okay. Kind of just like, when is it gonna do it? Can't do it, man. It's having problems. Lots of them. Band on the daily. Yeah, really nice harmonic. And kind of like started taking off, but it's not showing an edge either. It's making lower lows now. It's below the 200-day moving average. It's kind of like not great. But yeah, down these levels, these are like value area levels. Yeah, for sure. So it's got to break 751. It was doing it. It was so close, man. It was like this awesome looking inverse head and shoulder stuff, right? The low, the lower low, the lowest low. And it was almost like a wick and almost a double bottom, right? And then a higher low. And then a higher low again. You were above the 200-day moving average. We were going to do it, man. We were testing the resistance. And then we couldn't do it. Not enough demand for this crap. So just someone go out there and tell the market makers, what are you doing? I mean, it's a pretty good harmonic. This is the area, but again, it's banned, so I don't know, you know. Almost 60 new patrons today. Let's frickin' go.
Bruh.
That is incredible. Thank y'all. Seriously. You know, supporting the stream. That's the best way to support this community and what I do every day and all this. So, cheers. Goodness, man. Alright, almost been live an hour. And Bitcoin's just hanging out at all-time highs. No big deal, dude. Like it was a freaking joke. Theta is nuts. I mean, this is just like Bitcoin. I don't know, during the Square and PayPal initial run-up stuff, right? It looked almost identical to this. We in here. That's right, we are. We in here. Dude, 20 more Discord members, chat. 20 more until 10,000 on Discord. Are you gonna be here before 10K members, or are you gonna be in the Discord after 10K members? Man, 29,869. Bitcoin looking okay. Looking okay, man. Waiting to go to the 60-minute, right? It's a little bit better there. Just butting up against what seems to be a very real supply line with the little data we have. Right there, man. We gotta break it, man. If we want 30K, you gotta break this. I don't know how long it could yeah, it could hit 30K inside. It could just go sideways, like sell off some, and then, you know, just go chop around, and then eventually it could hit 30K within structure. What's the song name in the background? It's called Sandstorm by Darude, man. Sandstorm by Darude. Darude by Sandstorm. I'm not kidding. It's very real. Wow, 9 more Discord members. 9 more, chat. Let's do this. Let's put it to rest. Get this over with and see quintuple digits on a platform. Will we raise? Okay, there's one. I'm not sure how many. 8 to go. So, Brad, get the number. What is it? Come on, break this resistance. No. 8, now 7, 6, 5. How many more? How are we gonna do it? It's about to happen, chat. 4 more, maybe 3. It's about to happen, man. Oh my god. $9,999. 10,000.
Don't worry too much. Everything's beautiful. There's nothing to worry about.
That's pretty neat.
We did it, man. We did it. 10,000 Discord members. My God, it's been just finally made it happen, man. Thank you all so much for that. And here's just a nice showcasing of the effort put in by y'all. Thanks so much for this, right? It's a lot of new members,
Every hammer
man.
I
Cheers.
pop a 420. 15 minutes to hammer Lego.
What's up, Cherry? Picking 50-minute hammer go. I don't like do insignificant time scales like that. Now it's funny. Someone did pull up a screenshot of me actually doing TA on the 1 minute. I'm like, how did you even really? Someone tipped me $50 to do TA, unironic TA on the 1 minute chart. You know, way back. So, okay, you can't break it. You can't break it, dude. Aliens? It's beautiful, man. Such a beautiful sight to behold. Total market cap, man. $774 billion, man. Yeah. Bitcoin gonna finally surpass the Dow Jones Industrial, chat. Took out Warren Buffett. Took out Peter Schiff. About to take out that dang Dow Jones guy. Someone needs to sue the Dow Jones. Old meme. Inside joke. A little bit better one someday. Sorry, man. It's literally 3:50 a.m. Eastern time right now. So I'm a little out of it. A little tired. You know, I said I'd make it an hour. I'm gonna make it 60 minutes, man.
Sandstorm by Darude versus that Moon Boy Patreon mix. Happy New Year.
What are you talking about? We're literally playing that song right now. This is Sandstorm by Darude. Chat, please confirm. Back me up on this. Thank you, David B. But sadly, maybe you've never heard the song before. This is it. Jason S, let's go, dude. Hi in chat. Join the Patreon, man. Wait, what? Yeah, Jason S, man. It showed it different. See, it's definitely Darude. Everyone says it is, so therefore it is. My God, man. Alright, 644 patrons, chat. $29,889. Where are the sellers? Where are the Larry sellers?
Is this your homework, Larry?
Where are the Larry sellers, dude? Am I in New England? Wow. Surprised you would ask me if I'm in New England. No one in New England got that going on. All right. What's up? Let's take a gander back over at the Bitcoin market cap, $555 billion, man. You know, Berkshire Hathaway had a great day on Friday. Or what was it? Thursday. Yet, it wasn't enough, you know. So you see what had happened. What had happened was Berkshire Hathaway leapfrogged Bitcoin since my tweet. But now Bitcoin has again once more leapfrogged. Berkshire Hathaway has taken back the 10 spot where Berkshire Hathaway closed at 543 billion. Bitcoin's now 555. All right. Get wrecked, Warren Buffett. Once again, hilarious. So that's Warren Buffett. This is Peter Schiff. The Peter Schiff chart. This was the Warren Buffett chart. The Peter Schiff chart here, where you are at all-time lows, right? Gold to Bitcoin performance has hit an all-time low as of like a couple days ago, and it's just falling. It's getting worse and worse, all right? This is the lowest. It's right now at its lowest level ever, okay? I'm speaking. So he continues to Peter Schiff himself's freaking out, seething. He's seething right now. So what was the other one? Who else has been struck? And look at this, dude. You gotta, let's do this. We're so close to Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing. Oh, that team sucks, dude. We could easily surpass Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, all right? Big time. I'm just kidding. You know, because we're talking about, like, it's the top 10, man. Anyway, we got 3 hours, 5 minutes till your 4-hour candle close. But it's on when we're breaking out of this little supply line here, when we're really doing it for real. I don't know, man. We're getting close to 30K. God. Getting real. I guess I'll tee it up, man. I'll tee it up, all right? Thanks for the around 1,000 people tuned in. If you're enjoying this Bitcoin late night pump stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub, all right? Maybe we get 500 likes, all right? I know it's crazy. Call me crazy. Sorry, Bitcoin, you're just not doing well enough yet for a Hey song. Ralph D, let's go, dude. We got another patron, man.
Is that a joint?
Dude, Ralph, thanks so much, man, for supporting the community. And please be sure to sync up the Patreon, the Discord. You got to get in the Discord chat. That's huge. It's such a big deal. Once you get in the Discord chat, the Patreon Discord chat, you'll be like, so much friggin' value. Unbelievable. This chat's awesome. Okay, and then all the other stuff. All the trade setups and education, all the clips, all that stuff. Hey, y'all like some music. Thank you, man. Glad you like it. This is just a remix of the Darude Sandstorm song, alright? It's very good. Perhaps the best of all time. What? Dang, dude. Is that a double deep fake? A double deep fake of me? Whoa. Chat, look. It's me as Han Solo, and maybe at the same time I'm also Obi-Wan Kenobi. Is that it? That's no moon. It's a space station. Crazy. Alright, we got 2 minutes till your 60-minute candle close. And I've been live for 1 hour and 2 minutes now, so hope you're having a great, fantastic new year. Where did you make resolutions? You know, super cliche thing, you know, everyone's like, oh, resolutions. And no one follows through with them. That's also what everyone says. Well, yeah, you can use the beginning of a year to signify the beginning of a new habit or hobby or whatever. Yeah, man. Nothing wrong with that.
One minute, Hammer.
Oh my god.
Is that a joint?
You probably can't because of stockholders, right?
I mean, it's legal, right?
It's totally legal.
1 minute hammer chat. End of sentence has $1,000 to spare. Should he invest or wait? You should spend that $1,000 on investing in yourself, buying books, studying, spending time reading, learning how to swing trade, if you want, you know. Yeah. Learning what's value, what's premium. What, you know, how do you signify value on a chart? Fibonacci. Invest in yourself, man. Don't be asking random people on the internet, which is me. I'm a random person on the internet. You know, what you should do with your hard-earned money. You gotta take control yourself, man. Study, invest in yourself. Get better than you were yesterday. And just keep doing that. Do it for a year. 365. Alright? Days. Sorry, there is no Peter Schiff. Is there a Peter Schiff of silver? Someone who's like a hardcore silver maximalist, and he like not only trolls Bitcoin, but he also trolls gold, so he's got like multiple haters, like way more haters than Bitcoin and gold combined, right? Peter Sliff, you know? Hey, Peter Sliff loves silver. Gold's for losers, dude. That's what he says. And Bitcoin, what a joke. I'm just kidding, man. Again, it's late, dude. Let me be goofy. It's New Year's. Well, it was New Year's. Alright, chat. 29,926. We got a new 60-minute candle. We got Rosenblocking. Goodness. I don't know, man. I don't know if we're gonna have the legs to do it. We're less than $100 away from a huge milestone, something that's never been seen or done before. Again, every time we make higher highs, every dollar, it's like a different step on the moon, man. And then the girls come in. Just finishing up my 1 a.m. coffee. God, what am I doing, man? Again, I'm going live because there's price action, and you know, it's just, again, so grateful for all the patrons that have joined today. It's magical, and duh, right? It's just me trying to, you know, give you what you want, right? You join the Patreon saying, hey, I want you to keep doing this. So it's like, all right. So we got 645 patrons now. Incredible. What's up, Paul? Hey, Paul. Thanks for the $4.99.
Bruh.
What's up, Scott? You're enjoying the vibe? Thank you, man. Stick around. Stay a while. Listen. Or
Look here! Look, listen!
You can do that too. Depends how you're vibing, man. We're currently at our total patron numbers from last month. Okay, so that means like one more patron and we'll break last month's number on the freaking 2nd of the month. That's incredible. That's out of this world. There already is a Mitch Ray coin. Doe. There's already one. It's on the Waves platform. It's MRTA coin or whatever. Look it up on Waves. You can buy it if you want. It's a joke though. It's definitely a joke. So Bitcoin, I mean, this is a supply line, very real supply line by the looks of it, right? 1 touch, 2 and 3 and now 4, and no breakout, only an attempt, another attempt, right? Yeah, it's not on Coin Market Cap. I know, dude. I wish. How could we do that? Can someone figure out? Some of you crypto masters, get us on Coin Market Cap, man. There you go. This is nice. Since the March crash, Berkshire Hathaway is up 44.9%. S&P 500 is up 67.7%. The Dow Jones is up 64.6%. The Nasdaq's up 95%. Bitcoin is up 677%.
Bruh.
Wow. That's pretty good, man. What happened? You gotta love the actual break, hook, and go stuff that happened, man. I love that. Off the old supply line became a demand line, and then it's like gone after that. It's just ridiculous. Is there I think we've exceeded the fib extensions, haven't we? On Bitcoin's market cap? We'll see. Or maybe we're right at it, the 1618. Oh, we've exceeded the golden mean ratio. So with fib extensions, man, that's nuts. You know, like, what's the 2618 is $789 billion. That would be insane. Supply line, where there would be sell orders. A supply line. Supply is sell orders. Demand are buy orders. People will be look, a demand line's on the bottom, right? A demand line, because that is where potential buy orders would be. As you see, 1 and 2 here, you run it up and down, and what does it do? It sells off, hits that demand line, buy orders come in, rally it. What does it do? It runs up and then goes sideways and then kind of hits it again. It starts falling out, but traders never settled up outside of it. So the demand line's hit again. So the buy orders are at the demand line. Where does it go? Up to the supply line, where sell orders are. What does it do to the supply line? 3 different days, sells off, but goes sideways, and eventually breaks the supply line. Too much demand, not enough supply. Back tests it, and what was once a supply line became a demand line, right? Because buy orders started coming in at where there used to be sell orders, right? You get what I'm saying now? Are we cool?
Bruh.
I think we're cool, dude.
THX Midge, hard. Let's have coffee at floor number 30.
Floor number 30? Yeah, dude, let's go. Rooftop bar with the Hans and Franz music. That's, of course. We gotta do it, man. Maybe when all the, the world goes back to normal. But let's, who's kidding? I don't know if the world's gonna be going back to normal. I don't think so, man. We're living in like a new reality. I'd love it to. I wish it would. I pray it happens, man. It's tough, man. Like Pandora's box has been opened this year, and it's crazy. Anyway, what's up, XE? Thanks for the £10 super chat. Dot, thank you for loving the content. Love the support. Appreciate it, man. Dot. Oh yeah. Dot's like gone. Well, we had just broken out, and we're talking about, it's not like a strategic long, but it still would have a lot more upside than say, what was the other one? God, that went crazy. It was CEL. We knew it had more upside, and it did. It exceeded the golden mean ratio, but it did end up reversing up there. And then all I have up there above that's a $10 psychological resistance. It got as high as $9.50 for pulling back, and it may not even be over. But yeah, this was showing like really nice accumulation over and over and over again. Look, this was a textbook 3 rising valleys right here. So just for the sake of education, it's over. It's TA hindsight, whatever. But you can definitely identify these patterns before they play out, and you can trade them. So again, I'm just doing this TA hindsight because this is great for people that are trying to learn, right? Right? It's like a triple bottom, one valley, a second valley, a third valley, look, 2 peaks. That's it, man. I mean, it's like a double, it ended up being a double bottom, but triple bottom, whatever you want to call it. 3 times though, the rule of 3, where after a third event occurs, a mathematic probability increases that a more major move will be occurring afterwards. So 3 bottoms after these were all higher than these lows down here. So very, very good stuff. Accumulation is when you make a low and a higher low after that. You're accumulating. More people own this asset than they did before, and that's a really good sign. And that that can help you see what could be coming next, right? More and more people accumulate. Eventually, it's gonna break to the upside. And look what happened on this one. Anyway, big one's doing its thing. I've been live for an hour 15, so it sucks, dude. It would have been fun. I mean, we got close to 30K. Just I'm just tired, man. I'm just tired. I wanted to go live again, because things were happening and appreciation, all the stuff, right? All the things, man. You know the thing. Anyway, dude, we did it. It's just hard to be like, all right, I'm gonna wait for 30K on stream, right? It just doesn't. It's not practical. It could do it in 3 hours, right? That would kill me, right? I can't just be here for 3 hours, right? At 4 a.m. Eastern. So again, we're good, dude, right? So another milestone, 40,000 YouTube subs. That's huge, man. Thank you all. We got that before frickin' New Year's. It's incredible.
Take a look at Uni for us, Mitch. Please and thank you.
Sub bar good, man. Finally ran. Finally did it, man. About friggin' time. Yep. About time. It was consolidated. Like, we didn't have much data. We had no data when I started looking at this. None. So it's like, whatever. I tried, you know, and you broke that resistance. And it just the way I sized it up, high to low, you know, Fibonacci, that was the golden zone. Hit 382 and just going sideways, just rectangular. And it broke to the upside. Hit a 50% retrace. So still in the golden zone. That was the target. That was the target, was 516. That high. And after that was... right? It was like 687 after that. So, yep, that's, it happened, man. It happened. Just a rectangle, man. Like, some of this work didn't save. Because I did it on the other screen. Yeah, just kind of like this, man. Rectangle broke out. Probably hit near measure move of that too. Inverse head and shoulders, kind of ish. Yeah, sure. Looks fine on the oscillators, no problem. I mean, again, if it can break, or trader set it up at that high point, September 24th, if it breaks, the target would be 694. That's it. That's your uni. Nothing's changed. Analysis is the exact same. All right, dude. So it's been good, man. Been a great stream. All-time highs upon all-time highs upon all-time highs on Bitcoin. Not really many altcoins. So anyway, we got very close to 30,000. We were at $29,929.44 on Coinbase. Still very possible we do that this evening when I'm not here, of course, when I'm sleeping. But I tried, man. You can't say, hey, Ray didn't try. He didn't try to be here live for 30K. So anyway, really appreciate all the new patrons this evening. I mean, dang, I'm just going live, hang out, you know. So I appreciate it. Again, we are one more patron away from breaking last month's high on the 2nd, which is incredible. So, well, hey, you know what? There it is. Tetsuya, let's go. I'm in the chat.
Is that a joint?
Tetsuya, thank you so much. Please be sure to sync with the Patreon on the Discord. You got to get in the Discord chat. I'm telling you, when you get in there, you're like, oh my God, where has this been in my life? That is what many patrons constantly say that join, and this has been the case. They're like, I wish I found this group earlier, over and over and over again. It's almost to a point where it's like, what's the name of that song? I wish I found this group earlier. All right. Alright, again, be sure to join Discord. Over 10,000 members now. Let's go. Milestone hit this evening, just now, just recently. So, Alex, thanks for the 1 super chat. Tetsuya, thank you so much. Again, I really appreciate it. Get in the Discord. Like, get your Patreon synced up to the Discord. Appreciate it. Friggin' Bitcoin just being a tease, isn't it? It is. Oh, they're the ones who would chat again, man. All right, the ripples in the jar, the XRPs in the jar, knocking out the bats. Two terrible performers. I'm a little tired. I think I'll go to sleep now. That what's up, dude? Boom, making it rain. It's like a strip club in here, chat. We got the $1 super chat. Strip clubs. Making it rain. We finally did it, man. Oh, here we go, dude. Let's go, Alex. The Calyx. Join the Patreon, man. Thank you, Alex, dude.
Is that a joint?
Bruh.
Sync up with that Patreon in the Discord. You gotta get in the Discord chat. I'm telling you, man. Let's go. Dollar bills, y'all. The ones. Hype in the TA strip club. Stripping knowledge. Oh, yeah. Giving that knowledge, support resistances, bullish divergencies. Whatever, man. I'm just kidding. We're just... Okay. Yeah, I forgot. I'm not allowed to have a good time. I'm supposed to be serious all the time. Yeah, dude, you're being so unprofessional at 4:20 a.m. Eastern.
Is that a joint?
Yeah, and it's not me teasing. It's Bitcoin teasing. So I'm not even doing anything wrong. $30 or riot, you mean? 30 or riot. Yeah, it seems like 30K or bust. We might be busting if it's for stream time, you know? I'm just stalling for Bitcoin, okay? Beetle did. So we got 647 patrons strong. Our army grows, chat. Oh my god, dude. Sorry, I was seeing a play from the Clemson Ohio State game, that huge hit. Dude, yeah, you can't do that. That's crazy. Crown of the head. Crown of the helmet. Are you kidding me? See, this is what I'm talking about. Bitcoin's just like, alright, I might be creeping back up, man. Maybe we're gonna do it. 555 billion again. Ascending broadening wedges are, the measure move is normally at the bottom. If it's an ascending broadening wedge and it's going to break the downside, the measure moves like the bottom where the demand line started. That's the measure move for ascending broadening wedges. Descending broadening wedges, it's the top, right? For instance, so this doesn't, you know, for ascending it'd be the downside. The measure move will be down here, you know. So, well, I've got videos of this stuff, you know, so... Man, what am I doing? What's this guy doing with his life? He's, doing TA education and stuff, man, like, at 4-something a.m. Right? Your ascending broadening wedge. So, you know, that's your two diverging trend lines. They're both up sloping. They're going in different directions, right? So the measure move isn't like where you measure the size of it, right? It's different here. So the measure move in this situation is pretty simple. That's it. That's the measure move. So say it breaks down, you know, the measure move eventually would be where the pattern began at the bottom, right? Same thing the upside. If it's a descending broadening wedge, same thing. Measurement would be the top where it started, okay? And hence, all right. Anyway, yes, partial rises, declines. That's not part of the lesson. We're not talking about that right now, all right? Thought this was a mental strip club, right? Give away pieces of information, education. I'm just kidding, man. Oh yeah, forgot. We can't have fun. Hey, Scotty Trading Brew. Let's go, dude. Scotty, man, thank you so much for joining the Patreon. Hype the chat. And we got our... Hey, it's Mr. Mac. It's Mr. Mac, man.
Thanks, Mitch.
Michael, thank you for the 5, dude. Here you go. That is for Mr. Mac. To you. Thank you, dude. Please, y'all, make sure the Patreon and the Discord are synced up. If you're a patron and you're in Discord, your name will be green if you've done it right, okay? So, Alex, thanks, man. Holy crap. One more patron until 650, man. Psychological resistance right there. 650. Dang, man. Third green eye you tried on that Darth Maul one, man. Who say I can leave? Everyone said I could leave. Alex, thanks for the 2 super chat, man. Hey Daniel, could I post Mitch's OnlyFans link? Yeah. Patreon.com/MitchRayTA. That is my OnlyFans Connect. Okay. Who knew? Wow. I mean, it's not that we knew, but dang, it was set up for big moves. It was set up. Yep. You had broken above a critical resistance. We covered it in the stream before all this stuff happened, man. It was making history. It was never gonna happen, Alex. Okay, we good. Oh yeah, Cobra Kai. I think the trailer came out. I gotta go watch it, man. Gotta watch the trailer. All right, y'all. It's been a great stream. So grateful for all the new patrons, man. We got one freaking more until 650. 650, man. I'm not sure we've ever had that many patrons at once, okay? XRPs to Toby Flenderson. Yeah, pretty much, man. Thank you, Alex, man. All right. So y'all be good. Do what you can to get Bitcoin to 30K for me, all right? I appreciate it. It would do us all well, all right? All right. Ooh, that's weird. Lifestyle Nation. Bye. Sounds really scammy. Okay. Thanks for likes, love, support, contributions to the new patrons, patrons of old, everyone. Y'all are amazing. I love y'all. I'll be back. Till next time, respect the TA.
There's bears out here.
I don't know, sir.
Jigsaw Pico. Price gonna dip.
My name is JP. I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
And then, just like that,
Adios, turd nuggets.